In the last video, we walked through configuring your probes, selecting the attack categories you want to test, dialing in any custom parameters, and saving your settings. Your application is connected. Your probes are ready. Now it's time to actually run the red team test. This is the part where everything you've set up gets put into motion, and it only takes a few clicks to get there. From the AI app main dashboard, you'll see a button in the upper area of the screen labeled New Test Run. Go ahead and click that. A setup panel opens with just a couple of fields to fill in. First, give this test run a name. It can be anything that helps you identify it later. A date, a version number, a description of what you're testing. The goal is to make it easy to find and reference when you're reviewing results later. Next, you'll select which probes you want to include in this run. You can run a single probe if you're doing a focused test, just the jailbreak suite, for example, or you can select multiple probes to run a broader assessment in one go. The platform will run all of them as part of the same test run, and you'll see results broken out by probe in the results view. Once you've named the run and made your probe selections, click Start Test Run to kick it off. The test run appears in your list right away. You don't need to refresh. The platform updates in real time, and you can watch results populate as test cases execute. As the run progresses, you'll see the number of completed test cases climb, and the platform will begin surfacing which attacks succeeded, which were blocked, and how your application is performing across each probe category. If at any point you need to stop the test, maybe you've already seen enough, there's a cancel option available at any time. No need to let the full run complete if it's not what you need. So what's actually happening behind the scenes while all of this is running? The platform is systematically sending hundreds of attack messages to your LLM application, one by one across every test case in every probe you selected. Each message is a carefully crafted adversarial input, a jailbreak attempt, a prompt injection, a context leakage probe, or whatever the suite calls for. Your application responds to each one, and the platform captures and evaluates every response in real time. It's the equivalent of having a tireless red team working in parallel, testing at a pace and scale that simply isn't possible manually. Depending on the number of probes you selected and the configuration of your test, a full run can involve hundreds or even thousands of individual exchanges. That's exactly the kind of coverage you need to build genuine confidence in your application's security posture. Once the test run is complete, the real work begins, analyzing what the results actually mean, where your application held up, where it didn't, and what you should do about it. That's what we'll cover in the next video.